Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe. And in today's episode on case study based questions, CBSE class 10th, as per the new pattern 2021, we are going to discuss one more question. Friends, this is the part 11, and previously we have uploaded 10 parts, and the links of all these 10 parts are provided in the description box. I request you to go through all these parts so that you will get an idea that which type of questions will be asked as case study based questions and how to deal with such questions. So friends, here we are starting with the part 11. So let us move to the question. Friends, here is a question on the screen that one day a boy going home from the school saw a carpenter working on the wood. He found that he is carving out a cone of the same height and same diameter from the cylinder. The height of the cylinder is 2.4 centimeter and the base radius is 0.7 centimeter. While watching it, some questions came to his mind. Help him to answer the questions. Here friends, one day a boy, while going home from the school, saw a carpenter working on the wood. He found that he is carving out a cone out of the cylinder of same height and same diameter. And it is given that the diameter, the base radius, this is not the diameter, the base radius is given, that base radius is given as 0.7 centimeter and the height is given as 2.4 centimeter. And while watching this, the thoughts came to his mind and some questions he raised, and you have to help him to answer the questions. So let us see the first question. Here is the first question that state which of the following statement is true. First statement is volume of the remaining solid will decrease, height of the remaining solid will increase, volume of the remaining solid will increase, and radius of the remaining solid will decrease. Friends, here the option number B and D you can straight away reject, because it is mentioned in the question itself that the height and the radius are same, means that are not changed, and therefore height and the radius of the remaining solid will remain same, it will not change. So this B and D options are straight away rejected. Now the A is volume of the remaining solid will decrease and the volume of the remaining solid will increase. Here if you are carving out something, some part out of the solid, then the volume of that original solid or the original object will get reduced, so the volume of the remaining solid will decrease. That will be the correct statement, and this statement will not be corrected. And therefore volume of the remaining solid will decrease because this conical portion is carved out of the cylinder, and therefore whatever be the volume of this cone, that's much volume is decreased of the original cylinder. Now let us move to the second question. Next question is on the screen. What is the slant height of the conical cavity so formed? We have to find the slant height of this conical cavity, and the slant height we find by the formula L square is equal to H square plus R square. So L square is equal to H square, that is 2.4 bracket square, plus R square, that is 0.7 bracket square, and so which is equal to 2.4 bracket square, that will be 5.76 plus 0.7 square, that will be 0.49, and so that is equal to 6.25. And therefore taking square root of both the sides, we will get L is equal to 2.5 centimeter, and therefore the slant height of this conical portion or the conical cavity is 2.5 centimeter, and therefore the first option, A option, is the correct option. Now let us move to the second question. The curved surface area of the cavity so formed is. Friends, here we have to find the curved surface area of the cavity, and so the curved surface area of the cavity is calculated as pi RL. So pi is 22 by 7 into R. R is 0.7 into L we have calculated in the previous question, and that is 2.5. So here 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 0.1. So 22 into 0.1 into 7 into 2.5, that is equal to 5.5 square centimeter. And so the surface area, curved surface area of this cavity is what? It is 5.5 square centimeter. So the correct option will be, this should be square, and so the C option will be the correct option, 5.5 square centimeter. Now move to the next question. So the next question is that external curved surface area of the cylinder. We have to find the external curved surface area of the cylinder, and the external curved surface area of the cylinder is given by the formula 2 pi RH. And so put the values here. 2 pi RH, that is 2, multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by R, that is 0.7, into H is 2.4. So 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 0.1. So 22 into 2, that will be 44. 44 into 0.4, 0.1, that will be 4.4, and 4.4 into 2.4, that will be equal to 10.56 square centimeter. And therefore the external curved surface area, that is equal to 10.56 square centimeter. Here also it should be square, and so the second option, B option, is the correct option. Friends, if the total surface area is asked, then it will be the curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH plus the area of the base, that is pi R square, plus the curved surface area of this conical cavity, and that is pi RL. So if you add this all, you will get the total surface area of the remaining cylinder. Now friends, let us move to the next question. And the next question is that state which of the following statement is true. The first option is surface area of the remaining solid will increase, surface area of the remaining solid will decrease, volume of the remaining solid will increase, or cannot be said. These are the four options given. Friends, you have to do this. You have to think over this, that which statement will be correct, and write your answer in the comment section. So please think over this, all the options, and check which one is the correct option, and write your answer in the comment section. Friends, here I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.